Hi, I am Dr. Annie, Assistant Professor of Computer Applications, Sadaktula Appo College. In this session, we will explore what HTML is, its history, editors, structure, and how to get started with coding in HTML. What is HTML? It is a standard markup language used to create and design web pages. What is HTML? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it describes the structure of a web page. It consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. History of HTML. HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 while working at CERN. The goal was to create a standard for sharing documents on the internet using hyperlinks. The first version, HTML 1.0, it is developed in 1993. It is a basic structure for web pages. The second version, it was developed in 1995 for standardize the language. The third version, HTML3, it was developed in 1997. It is introduced new elements like tables, applets, and styles. The fourth version, it was developed in 1999. It is refined. Then advanced version of HTML4, that is HTML 4.01. It was developed in 2012. It is used for multimedia support. The final version, HTML5, it was developed in 2014. It is used for rich multimedia support. It is a current version. APIs for local storage, offline capabilities, and more. HTML editors. HTML editors are tools that help you write and edit HTML code more easily. Notepad+, Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, Atom, Brackets, Coffee Cup, NetBeans. How to write a HTML file using Notepad. First step, open Start, Programs, Accessories, then select a Notepad, then write or copy the following HTML code into Notepad. Then how to save and run the HTML file. Select File menu, then select the Save as submenu in the Notepad menu, then name the file as index.html or index.html. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser or double click on the file or right click and choose Open with. Then basic structure of HTML. First, document type HTML tag declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents. Then HTML document is divided into two major sections. First one is head section, second one is body section. The HTML head elements are title tag, style tag, script tag, link tag, meta tag, and base tag. What are the tags are used in HTML? Head tags, text formatting tags, link tags, list tags, table tags, form tags, scripting tags, image and object tags. What are the basic attributes are used in HTML? Alt, it specifies an alternative text for an image. Disabled, it specifies that an input element should be disabled. Href, it specifies the URL or web address for a link. ID, it specifies a unique ID for an element. src, it specifies the URL or web address for an image. Style, it specifies an inline CSS style for an element. Title, it specifies extra information about an element that is displayed as a tooltip message. Value attribute, it specifies the value or text content for an input element. Thank you for watching this session.